Hello friends, welcome back to Android Tips YouTube channel. So friends, in this video I will be showing how to fix unfortunately Facebook has stopped or crashes on Android. So friends, before we get started, please do subscribe this YouTube channel and please hit the bell icon to receive latest videos notification from Android Tips. So friends, let's get started. So friends, when you are browsing your Facebook, if your Facebook gets stopped, unfortunately, if your Facebook gets stopped working when you are browsing your Facebook, so I'll show you how to fix this problem step by step. So friends, first thing you should know that your internet connection should be good. You should have a good internet connection. You just need to know that you should have a good internet connection. So even after having a good internet connection, you're still facing the problem. I'll show you step by step. The first thing, you need to go to Play Store and then search Facebook. Search on the search bar. So friends, you just need to check whether your Facebook is to be updated or not. If it is asking for update, please update the Facebook application. Please update the Facebook application. After updating the Facebook application, check whether your Facebook has fixed or not. Even after updating, you're facing the same problem, then there are two steps. You can just uninstall the Facebook application and reinstall the Facebook application and then re-log in with your Facebook account. If you don't want to uninstall your Facebook application because of your low data, low data, so the third option will be, if you don't want to uninstall your Facebook application, you just need to go to settings and then scroll down and then apps. You can see, scroll down and then apps. You can see apps here. After tapping on apps, you'll find system app settings, manage apps, dual apps, permission, app store. So you just need to tap on manage apps and then you just need to search for Facebook here. So friends, you can see Facebook is here. So just tap on Facebook and simply tap on clear data and clear all data. You just need to clear all data of this Facebook application and then re-login in with your Facebook account, and I assure you that you won't face this problem anymore. So friends, that's it. I hope you understand this video. So till then, thank you so much for watching this video.